Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I am going to show you how can you speak to type anywhere in your mobile in any language. You do not have to type in mobile anywhere. Just speak in any language and words will appear. You can do it in your WhatsApp, in Notes app, anywhere. Let's open WhatsApp. Open a chat. Press to type. Keyboard appears, right? On the keyboard, press mic icon. Hello, this is test for WhatsApp message. Voice to text. And here is the text. I can also speak in Hindi or Urdu, such as भाई कैसे हो? See, it is multilingual. Okay, so I'm using Samsung mobile. It has got Samsung keyboard that has the option of voice to text, but that is not multilingual. So better option is Gboard. To get the Gboard, go to App Store or Play Store, search Gboard, install it and enable it. To switch keyboard or to adjust keyboard settings, go to Phone Settings, search Keyboard, press Keyboard List and Default. Press this option, Keyboard List and Default again. Select Default Keyboard. I have selected Gboard already instead of Samsung keyboard. Also, Google Voice Typing is enabled. Gboard multilingual typing is also enabled. So make sure these two are enabled for you as well. When these settings are enabled, you can use voice to text feature. Let me show you on Notes app. So this is the Notes app. How are you? आज का काम complete हुआ? See, it works everywhere. So use Gboard and use mic from keyboard to use voice to text in Android. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.